I know you all love Jonathan Brooks resin, so this is going to be a fun unboxing. This is the Laban Jonathan Brooks collaboration, featuring a really beautiful resin called Teal Abalone on the Laban 325 pin model. It is a limited edition, and it comes in your really lovely and classic Laban packaging. I love that the box slides out long ways instead of the other direction like most of the pin boxes. And you do get your sticker and your little bookmark, Laban branded. And here's a look at one of the limited edition fountain pens. It comes in two color options, cream or black. Originally, these were named Glacier. So if you see them referenced as the Laban Jonathan Brooks Glacier, this is that pin, but they renamed it the Teal Abalone. The stainless steel number 6 nib is plated to match the gold trim, and it's a cartridge converter fountain pen. And Laban pens are compatible with standard international size ink cartridges or converters, and it does come with a converter already installed in the pen. And here is a look at the black Teal Abalone pen. And I like that this section matches the cap and the back of the barrel. It's like a nice little frame for the gorgeous Jonathan Brooks resin. Hopefully this got you a pretty good look at the new limited edition from Laban and Jonathan Brooks. Get a good look here and get more details over on the website, penchalet.com. Like and subscribe and come back for more soon. We'd love to see you join us in another unboxing.